China's YouTube, Bilibili, is making its way to the rest of the world. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Bilibili has relaunched its previously discontinued international app and revealed its plans to launch an English-language website to target key markets around the world, like Japan, the US, and Europe, and courting non-Chinese creators to boost its appeal. Bilibili has already been pushing prominent Western celebrities, including Mr. Beast, to post videos on its main Chinese-language site, which is available globally and boasts 376 million monthly active users. A more concerted global expansion could challenge YouTube's dominance, but it may also open up thorny questions about censorship, moderation, and data security for the company, the kind of fight that plagued TikTok in the US for years. The revamped app no longer requires identity verification, meaning users can sign up without having to provide ID document, which were long required of overseas users on its main Chinese platform. A newly created account on X marketing the platform to global creators wrote, "Yes, Bilibili is going global," adding that the US and Chinese sites will be the same content-wise. In a document recently shared in a Discord chat for Bilibili creators, the company pitched itself as a place for influencers to make money and connect with Gen Z-coded, affluent, and well-educated users. According to the presentation, a marketplace for international users to connect with brands for sponsored content is also in development. It also showed creators how to post videos on its Chinese website and said that an English version is coming soon. The company is also hiring community managers in Los Angeles, London, Mexico City, Sao Paulo, Istanbul, and Tokyo, and building global AI-powered content moderation systems. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.